Hi everyone, here we've got ASUS ROG Phone 3 and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, so let's do it, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom and tap on System. Now let's tap on Languages and Input and tap on the very first option, which is Languages. Here we've got the list of previously added languages, so here we've got only English. In order to add new one, just tap on Add a Language, and now we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So you've got a lot of options to choose from actually. All you have to do is simply find the language you'd like to use and tap on it. So let me pick, for example, French, so I've just tap on it. If you can choose the region, just again tap on the region you'd like to use, and as you can see the new language has been applied to our list, but it is not set as a main language automatically. So in order to do that, just make sure that it will be on the very first position. So all you have to do is simply tap on the language you'd like to use, hold it and drag it to the very first position. And as you can see, the language has been changed immediately, and from now on the whole system, the whole menu will be in the chosen language. Now let me get back to the English because I'm not really good at French, so the same situation, tap on it, hold it and drag it to the very first position. If you'd like to remove the language, just tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on Remove. Tap on French in my case, but in your obviously on the language you'd like to remove, and the trash bin icon. Let's tap on OK, and as you can see, it immediately disappears. So actually that's all. This is how to change system language in your ASUS ROG Phone 3. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.